This is the third video I am recording, and I'm feeling so uncomfortable and like so anxious to record this video. Think of someone is recording myself and he's looking at myself and he's recording me. I'm keeping this camera and I'm documenting my Rex's face. He doesn't know what I'm doing. It's so annoying. I totally understand. It may be annoying for someone, not just for you. Why the fuck you are going to think of what that people is going to think about? Is he is going to give you money to it? No. Is he is going to help you out when you are on downfall or in a problem? No. Why they are going to think about all this shit? So don't think of all this. Start working on yourself. Get better and be the best version of yourself. And I am going through with a like low time where actually I am not taking care of my health, not taking care of my mental health, not taking things seriously like communication, health and stuff. So here uh, I am, but another story, just a phase. I have to improve, I have to get better. There is no one who is going to help you out on this phase. um, it's fine, it happens. It's just a phase, it's just a particular time. I've seen one guy video who is talking about his growth and stuff, and he said that, see, when you are thinking of, recently I've slowed down things. So he told that when you're thinking that it's fine, it's okay to take rest and blah blah blah, then you're not serious about. I mean, think of today is Saturday, and before Sunday you have to reach somewhere. So it is 10 kilometers, so you have to start walking right from now. Then you are not sure, maybe you will stuck in a traffic. If you are going to think of, okay, I'll start uh, at exactly 1 o'clock, then how you are going to reach? Do you have any idea? If you get stuck in the traffic, you are not going to reach that point. So start from today, start getting better from today, start taking action from today now. Then you will understand, okay, then you will get to a point where actually you can think of, okay, yeah, this is where I wanted to. Or if you didn't reach, then you still will be having the time of getting better. So yeah. And one thing that other person said that um, whatever you are seeing, fancy stuff in this world, that is built by a person who actually mentally so strong. The meaning of this is like, if you're looking at a lollipop chocolate, that is that chocolate, that lollipop invented or sold by a person who actually know that how to trick people, how to slow down people's brains so they will not going to focus on right thing. So this is just a trap. Don't think that it's going to help you anywhere. It's just a trap, just a shiny object that is stopping you to get better, or stopping you to towards your goal. So be clearer about your goals. Be keep your things, keep your goals in front of your face, or you just keep on telling yourself, this is what my goal, this is where actually I wanted to be. So yeah, this is quite simple, this is not that hard. uh, you can do it, bro. If you can come to this point, then you can achieve whatever we want. So yeah, stop giving excuses. I'm not talking to anyone, I'm talking to myself. uh, this is too much. The break that you have taken, that is too much. If you keep on taking break, if you keep on slowing down things, if you keep on taking this, that doesn't make any sense. So yeah, let's do it, let's get better, and let's achieve those goals. Whatever you have, you deserve it, you know that how to you know what you want and where you wanted to be. You deserve something better. You deserve whatever you want. You deserve more than that. God always have a better plan than you. Yup, let's bro, do it. You look shitty bulk. You look like shit now. You know it. I have a, I think 70-80% body fat. I don't know. I'm on skinny fat phase, and how I don't know how to do it, how to get into a shape, proper shape. But I am going to do it, and I'm going to make things happen. I'm not just going to pray. I'll take actions, and I'll going to make this happen. Yep, let's do it. Let's make this happen, and you know what to do, bro. Yep. Start taking from action from today and be the best version of yourself. Yes. Peace.